Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. Sorry guys, it's a little late, it's almost midnight. But today's video we're talking about Boost Wireless, or should I say Boost Infinite network expanding. Of course, now it says it expands its coverage to 12 more cities, covering 140 million Americans. So that's a big number there, guys. So let's get into it. Like I said, this is talking about Boost Infinite. Some people call it Dish Wireless. It's a lot of things. So let's get into it. It says stay connected everywhere. Join the one wireless provider that combines three major networks for the best coverage no matter what, which is pretty cool. So it says smart switch between three wireless networks, unparalleled nationwide coverage. Plans start at $25 a month, which is pretty cool. That's usually AT&T, T-Mobile, and of course now Dish Wireless, which they're making their own network, so pretty cool. So it says Dish has announced. So remember Dish bought Boost Mobile and Boost Infinite and everything. Boost Infinite was made by them. So it says Dish has announced that it has expanded coverage of the Boost wireless network to 12 additional markets. The latest markets to gain access to the Boost 5G network with 5G voice includes. So here's all the cities. I won't name all of them, but as you can see, Billings, all that's some South Carolina, North Carolina, Florida, Ohio, Connecticut. Basically all of them. So here's the list, guys. If you want to take a look at them, pretty cool. So it says Dish claims that the Boost wireless network with 5G voice, VO, and R now covers 140 million Americans across 89 markets, but doesn't explicitly state where those markets are. The Boost Infinite website provides the closest approximation. The company also does not have any of its own native coverage maps displaying on any of its websites. However, the FCC does provide a coverage map for the network updated as of June 2023, so you can check those things. And here we go. Here's the list. I found it, guys, so I just clicked on the link. As you can see, here's more in the future planned areas, which of course these are the areas that we're just talking about. So as you can see, Los Angeles is there as well. So these are what the planned areas are. And then of course these are the ones that are already available. So pretty sweet. So as you can see, you can also check out. So it says Dish also claims that to date, it has the largest commercial deployment of voice over an R in the world. It plans to add additional 5G voice markets every month throughout the first half of 2024. So basically this whole rollout's coming out, and they're saying they're adding even more every month for the first half of 2024, which is pretty massive, big scale. Which is nice. So it says, as the nation's fourth wireless carrier, wow. So they're saying, this is said by the president of technology and CEO of Dish Wireless. So it says, Dish states that Boost Mobile customers can get switched over to Boost Wireless Network by visiting their local Boost Mobile dealer or through boostmobile.com. However, I'm unable to see any way, at least for new customers, to be able to get access to the network through the website. So wow. So there's also, it doesn't appear to be a way for new customers to manually get access to the Boost wireless network through the Boost Infinite website either. So it's probably they want you to go to a local store, I'm guessing. It says Boost Infinite has been marketing itself as offering America's smart network. It says the provider just updated its website to feature a banner on its homepage stating that it offers smart switch between three wireless networks. Potential customers are asked to join the only wireless provider that combines three major networks for the best coverage. Now this kind of reminds me of Google Fi. It's still a thing, but it had three networks. Of course, it was Sprint, T-Mobile, and US Cellular. So of course now Boost Infinite is something else. Very small carrier. So it says Boost Infinite operates by using the Boost Wireless, AT&T, and T-Mobile networks. So as you can see, Boost, remember Dish Wireless or Dish Network, they're making their own network. So that's the Boost Wireless, AT&T, and T-Mobile networks. So it's pretty cool. With the ability to seamlessly switch between each network, making it America's smart network. However, the Boost Wireless network only supports a small number of devices handled by the iPhone 15, headlined by the iPhone 15. So if you got an iPhone 15, it can manage all this. There are also a new offer to try it for 30 days. Try it for 30 days. If you don't love your experience, we'll refund you completely, guaranteed. The Boost Infinite website reads. Wow. So it says the expansion of the Boost Wireless network into more markets opens up more potential offers for customers. Wow. So of course they do have Boost Mobile launched a family plan in store offering a 4-line deal for $100. Pretty cool. The offer available exclusively on the Boost Wireless network. There has also been a free device offer available exclusively with activation on that network. So many things. Like I said, this is by Best of You Know, guys. Check it out. So lots of information. Basically, Boost Wireless, or Boost Infinite, whatever. They're expanding their network every so often. So pretty cool. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos coming your way. Check out the description below. Lots of info down there. So thank you, guys.